keeping you waiting. I understand we were supposed to have started exactly 16 minutes ago. Thank you very much for your usual patience. I'm very pleased by your turnout. I'm pleased to advise you that we just completed our post-election National Standing Committee meeting of the DCT that was in Khupe. So this press conference is coming hard on the heels of our completion of that meeting of the National Standing Committee. As you can see, us here are members of the National Standing Committee, and we are obviously delighted and very happy that you have turned out in large numbers. And in this note, I believe that President Khupe will be able to take you through what our party, the DCT's position is post 2018 harmonized elections. Once again, thank you very much. And I don't want to take much of your time. I see some of my brothers and sisters here looking hungry. Lunch is about to be served, so over to you, Dr.
Thank you very much. Let me also take this opportunity to thank you all for coming to this press conference. And I would also like to apologize for starting a bit late. And I'd also like to say that against all odds, there are many people who are saying we're living in a patriarchal society, a woman cannot be a president. But I'm happy to say that against all odds, we managed to become number 3, and I beat more than 17 men who were also contesting. So I just wanted to say. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my first post-election press conference. Let me thank you all for making time this afternoon. Let me start by extending my condolences to the bereaved families who lost their loved ones during the August 1 incident. I also join others in prayer for those that were hospitalized. In that context, we welcome the independent commissions suggested by the President-elect. However, we propose that independent commissions be set up by Parliament and that it reports to Parliament directly. This is to avoid any insinuations of bias. We unreservedly condemn any form of violence and it is my prayer that the 2 ghastly acts, one of the bombing on the 23rd of June 2018 in Bulawayo and violence that broke out in Harare on the 1st of August, have put a blot on what could have been a violent-free election will never be repeated. In giving an assessment of the 2018 elections, the following are important issues to note. The turnout by Zimbabweans came out to make their voices heard. Of these, majority were women, who were 54%, and the young, that is telling to the winds of change we experienced in this election. In this context, the elections were free only in terms of allowing the popularity of the people of Zimbabwe to come out and vote. I have participated in elections since 2000. I can honestly say that this was my first ever election where I have slept in my bed. In the majority of cases since 2000, we never slept in our homes. We would move our children to South Africa, and my twins, I moved them out of this country in 2002. But in this particular election, I want to honestly say that we did not have any problems. I slept at my house. Most of our candidates were sleeping in their homes. So this is the freeness that we experienced as a political party. Whilst as a party we hail same problems of violence, skirmishes, all of which were with our erstwhile cousins, we can safely say this was largely a peaceful election.